Hey guys, I thought about sharing this a while ago, but I didn't, and I feel like sharing right now. One of the few things that I brought with me when I came from Minnesota to Florida was this book. I brought 6 purple t-shirts, all the same, from the discount store, and a pair of blue jeans, a bag full of unpaid bills in the hopes that I could pay them. Still working on that. And I brought this book. And I wanted to share it with you. This year I'm working on my thunder and my wind. And those of you who know this version by this author or translator, I'm not sure if he translated it or made a new interpretation, but anyway, I like this book very much, and I wanted to share. Okay, that's my work for 2022. Working on my thunder and my wind.